Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In the previous lecture we did sets and dictionaries. So in today's lecture we will continue our work with dictionaries. So in this lecture let's first start with how to start with an empty dictionary. So continuing our previous example, let's just say I wrote city and just declared an empty dictionary. So in this way you can declare an empty dictionary. So now adding keys and values. So I'll enter key which was my Delhi in the you guys can check out my previous video also. So and I have written here capital. So similarly this creates one item. Similarly I can enter another item which was Mumbai, and in that I can write metro. So now let's just print our city so you guys can see it prints it. Now let's discuss another feature, that is how to remove something from a dictionary. So you can just write del basically for delete, then you can write city which is my dictionary name, and then I can write the key value which I want to delete. So I'll write the key, let's just write Delhi. So in this way I can delete my key. So let's just print our dictionary. As you can see I wrote city and I got Mumbai and metro since this was the only item left. So as you guys have also seen how to add something to a dictionary, in this way you can add. So let me just enter some wrong value this time so that I can modify it again and show. So let me just write something. Okay, you should go now. So let me just write Delhi and just write metro over here. So now you can see we get Delhi and as well as metro in our dictionary. But now I want to modify something. So just to modify something is the same as writing, or you can say inserting something into dictionary. Just write dictionary name and then just we'll just write the key value. Let's write Delhi, and then I can write here as its capital. So after this is done, let's just print our city and check it out. So as you guys can see, we got our modified dictionary. Now let's discuss how to store multiple values via a single key. So let's just create a dictionary. Let's use previous example only city. As you guys seen my previous example, we were using key as a string. So now let's use as an integer. So let's just write 1, and then I can write my value as Delhi. And another thing I can write in my dictionary is you know uh, capital. So let's just write capital. If you want to write another thing, you can also write pin code of the area, so that let's just stick to these two only. And now let's enter a second value, which can be let's enter Chennai. So similarly it will be a metro. So next I can enter is Mumbai. So let me just quickly write it. So now I can also write it as metro. So after this is done, you guys can see my city is formed. So let me just write city, and you will see it gets printed. Now if I want to access some particular value, so I can write city, and then I can write it my second key which I want to traverse. So let's just check it out. So it gives us Chennai and metro. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you guys like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.